Okay, good evening students. Today we will discuss paper number 236, say quantity aptitude. The table given shows the number of some items sold by 3 persons ABC on 4 days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Read the data carefully, then answer the questions. See the question. By seeing the table you can answer the question. The total number of items sold by A on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. A Monday 32, Tuesday 24, Wednesday 54. Total 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10. Then 5 plus 1 6, 8 11. It is 110. A is 110. Then C on Wednesday, Thursday. Now C Wednesday, Thursday 42, 60. That is 102. Now what is the difference? The difference is 8. Difference is 8. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. The total items sold by B on Tuesday and Wednesday 44 and 22, that is 72, is what percent more than C on Monday, that is 50. So this is B, this is C, 50. So 72 is how much more than 50, 22 more. So 22 by 50 into 100, that is equal to 44%. 5 is the correct answer. Next, find the ratio of the items sold by B on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Monday 48, Tuesday 44, Wednesday 28. See calculation, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, then 2 plus 2 4, 8 12, that is 120. So B is 120. C on Tuesday, Thursday. C Tuesday 36, Thursday 60. So C is 96. What is the ratio of 120 is to 96? With 24 5s, 24 4s. It will be equal to 5 is to 4. 1 is the correct answer. Next, find the average item sold by B on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. B Tuesday 44, Wednesday 28 and Thursday 48. So if you do this, we will get again 44 plus 28 is 72, 120. 120 is the total. We want average divided by 3. That is equal to 40. 2 is the correct answer. Next, the number of items sold by C on Monday and Wednesday. C Monday 50, Wednesday 42. Total 92. A on all 4 days. A all 4 days. So 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. Then 4 plus 1 5, 10 12, 150. Now 150. So 92 is what percent of 150? 92 by 150 into 100. 53s, 52s. It is 184 by 3. 3 6 18, then 3 ones 3. The answer is 61, 1 by 3. So option is 1. Next question. The breadth of the rectangle is 20 meters less than the length. Perimeter of the rectangle is 220. So breadth is 20 meters less than length. Length x, breadth will be x minus 20. It is given 2 of x plus x minus 20 is equal to 220. Therefore 2x minus 20 is equal to 110, 2x is equal to 130, x value 65. If the side of the square is equal to length of rectangle x is 65. Perimeter of the square 4s, that is 4 into 65, that is 260. 260 is the correct answer. A man invests x on simple interest at the rate of 18% for 8 years. And he get a total amount of 7,800. So instead of x you take 100. 100 is the principal. 18% 8 years. So 18 into 8 is 144. Total amount is equal to 100 plus 144. That is 244. 244 is given as 7,808. We want x value. X value means 100. 100 is how much? 100 by 244 into 7,808. Now do the calculation with 6, with 4. I am doing with 4. 4 6 4 1s. Here 4 19 76. 4 5s 4 2s. Now I am dividing 1952 with 61. 61 3s 183. Now 2 times. So it is 32 into 100, that is 3200. 3200 is the correct answer. Next, A can complete 60% of the work in 9 days and A plus B will complete 20% of the work in 7 by 4 days. 60% means 3 parts of the work is completed in 9 days. 5 parts of the work will be completed in 15 days. So total work is completed in 15 days by A. Now A plus B, they will complete 20% of the work. That means 1 part of the work in 7 by 4 days. 5 parts of the work means 5 into 7 by 4, that is 35 by 4 days. Now you have to find the efficiency. A efficiency 1 by 15, A plus B efficiency 4 by 35, LCM is 105, so it will be equal to 7 is to 12. So A efficiency 7, A plus B 12, therefore B is equal to 5. Find the time taken by B alone to complete the work. So total work is 105. Total work is 105. The LCM of 15 and 35, that is 105. B efficiency 5. So 105 by 5, that is 21 days. Option 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next. A train crosses a pole and platform in 26 and 36 respectively, 36 seconds respectively. If the speed of the train is 90 km, find the length of the platform. First of all, whenever a train is crossing the pole, the train length itself is the distance. Now you find the train length. So length formula or distance formula, speed into time. Speed is 90 km per hour. So 90 into 5 by 18. We have to convert into meter per second. And it is crossing in 26 seconds. So if you do this, it will be 25 into 26. 25 6 150. It is 650. This is the length of the train. Now platform length. How to calculate platform length? Now it is crossing the platform in 36 seconds. Whenever train is crossing the platform, so both lengths will be included. Train length plus platform length. Now see here, 90 into 5 by 18 into 36 minus 650. We have to minus the train length to get the platform length. That will be equal to 25 into 36 minus 650. So see here, this is 25 into 26. This is 25 into 36. If you do minus 25 into 36 minus 26, 10. So that is equal to 250. 250 is the correct answer. Option 4. Next. If Golu was 1/3 of his mother aged 10 years ago and become half of the age of the mother after 5 years, then find the present age of Golu. So here mother Golu. Golu was 1/3 of the mother age. Mother age 3x, Golu age x. Then this is 10 years back. This is how many years back? 10 years back. Then and will be half of the age after 5 years. That means from 10 years back we should come to present and then after 5 years. That means total it will be equal to 15 years increase. After 15 years, Golu will be x plus 15 and mother will be half of. So Golu age is nothing but it is half of the mother age. Mother age is 3x plus 15 and in this half 3x by. So this is given. Therefore 3x plus 15 is equal to 2x plus 30, x value 15. If x value is 15, what is the present age of Golu? Golu x means 10 years back it is 15. Now present Golu is 25. That means 15 plus 10, 25. This is the present age of Golu. 1 is the correct answer. Next, the difference, if the difference between the selling price of the article when sold at 20% profit and 20% loss. 20% profit means 120, 20% loss means 80, that is nothing but 40. 40 is equal to 120. Then to get a profit of 25%, 125 is equal to how much? 40, 120 means each part is equal to 3. Now 125 into 3 is 375. 4 is the correct answer. Next, Arun invested 4,200 in a business. After 4 months, Vikas joined with the investment of X. If at the end of the year the total profit is 6,200 and Arun is 4,200. If Arun profit is 4,200, Vikas will be 6,200 minus 4,200, that is 2,000. Now, Arun invested 4,200 in the business and after 4 months Vikas joined with an investment of X. So it will be for only 8 months because he is joining after 4 months. And Arun is getting 4,200 whereas Vikas is getting 2,000. Now you should do this calculation. Here 4,200 will get cancelled. Here 4 2s, 4 3s, 2 1s, 2,000. So X is equal to 3,000. X value is equal to 3,000. 2 is the correct answer. A boat starts traveling in upstream from point P after 12 seconds. It come back towards P. After 12 seconds, the boat reaches Q. If the distance between P and Q is 144, then find the speed of the current. Here, you take boat speed as X, current speed is Y. Now, it is coming back upstream, it is traveling from P for 12 seconds and it is coming back 12 seconds. So, upstream it is traveling 12 seconds, downstream it is traveling 12 seconds. Total distance. So, first downstream X plus Y into 12 and X plus Y into 12, X plus Y into 12 minus X minus Y minus X minus Y. Plus X minus Y into 12 is equal to 144. Now here which one will cancel? Here it will be minus. Now here which one will cancel? X and X will get cancel. Minus into minus plus. So 24Y is equal to 144. Y value is equal to 6. See, a boat travels in upstream from P. After 12 seconds, it travels back towards P and after 12 seconds, the boat reaches Q. If the distance between P and Q is 144, then find the speed of the current. So, here we have to take the difference because first it is traveling upstream. Then again it is coming back to P. Again it is traveling downstream. So, we have to take minus since it is coming in the reverse direction. So, Y value is equal to 6 meter per second. Next question. A vessel contains 400 liters of water and milk in the ratio of 5:3. Out of 400, 5:3. Water, milk, 8 parts. So, this will be 250. Milk will be 150. Then if 100 liters of the mixture is replaced with milk, that means we are removing 100 liters mixture and we are completely replacing with the milk. We are adding milk. Now, milk is equal to 150 minus 100 into 3 by 8. So, since milk is 3, it is 3 by 8. Again, we are adding 100 liters milk. So, that will be equal to how much? That will be equal to how much? See, 4 2s, 4 25s. So, 150 minus 75 by 2 plus 100. So, that will be equal to 225 by 2. That will be equal to, see, this will be equal to how much? 150 plus 100 is 250. 150 plus 100, 250. 250 minus 75 by 2. That is how much we are going to get? 425 by 2. 425 by 2. That is 212.5. This is milk. This is milk. Now, what about water? What about water? Water is 250. This is 100 plus 150, so 250. Now, water is 250. Out of 250, we are removing 100 into 5 by 8. That is equal to 4 2s, 4 25s. 125 by 2 or else 62.5. That will be equal to 187.5. This is water. Now, find the ratio of milk and water. So, 2125 is to 1875. 1875. Now, with 25 8s, 25 5s. Here 25 7s, 25 5s. With 5 17s, 5 15. 17 is to 15. 1 is the correct answer. A bag contains 8 blue, 5 pink and 7 black. If 3 balls are drawn at random, find the probability of getting at least 2. So, at least 2 means there are 5 pink balls. You can take 2 pink balls. You can take 2 pink. Then one blue. We have to take only 3 balls. We can take one blue. One blue means 8C1. So we are taking 2 pink. Here we are taking 2 pink, 1 blue. 2 pink, 1 blue. Or we may get 3 pink. 3 pink means that is 5C3. This is nothing but 3 pink. We can take 3 pink also. At least 2 pink means we can take 3 pink. Or we may get 2 pink, 1 black. 2 pink, 1 black. 2 pink, 1 black means it will be equal to 5C2 into 1 black, 7C1. 7C1. Now do the calculation. 5C2. So 5C2 means 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. That is equal to 10 into 8. That is 80. This is 80. This is 80. Plus 5C3. 5C3 is nothing but 10. 5C3 is nothing but 10. And this will be 5C2. 5C2 is nothing but 10 into 7. 10 into 7 is 70. Total 160. Total 160. 80 plus 10, 90, 160. Now 3 balls. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. Now 20C3. 20 into 19 into 18 by 3 into 2 into 1. 6 ones, 6 threes. This is 60 into 19. 0, 0 cancel. 2 3s, 2 8s. 8 by 57. 8 by 57 is the correct answer. Next question. What will come in the place of the question mark? See, 432, 444, 460, 482, 508 and question mark. See here 12 gap. This will be 16 gap. This will be 22 gap. This will be 26. So each gap 6 again. Here again 4. Again 6. Again 6 means we will get 32. That is 540. 540 should come. Option 2. Next question. 112, 56, 224, 28, 448 and question mark. Divided by 2 into 4. Divided by 6 into 8. Now divided by, sorry, that is not wrong. That is not correct. Now this is into 4 correct. 224 divided by 8. So 244, 488 and 8 double 16. Now divided by 32. 448 by 32. 32 ones 32. 32 fours. 14 is the correct answer. Next question. 8, 6, 8, 14, 30 question mark. So what should come in the place of the question mark? That we have to identify. 8 into 0.5, that is 4, plus 2, 6. Then this is into 1 plus 2. Then this is into 1.5 plus 2. This is 1.5. Then into 2 plus 2. Then into 2.5 plus 2. 30 into 2.5, 75. 75 plus 2, 77. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. 2244, 2240, 2224, 2160, 1904 and question mark. So this is minus 4. This is minus 16. This is minus 64. This is minus 256. So each time into 4, into 4, into 4. Now 256 into 4, 1024. So 1904 minus 1024. That is 880. 880 is the correct answer. Then 75, 100, question mark, 185, 249, 330. See, this is plus 25. This is 64. This is 81. 9 square, 8 square. This will be 7 square. So 7 square means 49. 185 minus 49. Since here we are moving from right to left to minus. So that will be equal to 136. 5 is the correct answer. 5 is the correct answer. Next question. Next question 51. 32 into 15. What is 32 into 15? 480. Then 12 into 8, 96. 96 plus 9, 105. 1056 plus 2500. That is 2980 minus 1056. 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Then 9, then 1. It is 1924. 2 is the correct answer. Next, 5 3 by 7. 5 3 by 7 means 38 by 7 into 266 plus 930. See this one, 7 3s 21, 7 8s. 38 square, that is 1444 plus 930. That is 2374. 14 plus 9, 23. 44 plus 30, 74. 2374 plus this 724, if it comes to here, it becomes plus. So 8, 9, 3098. So 3200 minus 3098, that is 102. 3 is the correct answer. 3 is the correct answer. Next question, 53. 24 root x plus 1070 is equal to 90 plus 1244. That is 1344. This 1070, if it goes to other side, it become minus. So 274, 264. This is 264. Sorry. 1244 plus 90, that is 1344. 1344 minus 1074. 1334 minus 1070. This is 1334. Sorry. 1334. Then 6, 264. Now 264 by 24, 11. 11 is equal to root x. X is equal to 11 square. The 11 square value 121. 121 is the correct answer. Next, 32% of 1050. 32 by 100 into 1050. 0, 0, 5 2s, 5 21s, 2 1s, 2 16. That is 336 plus 332 x by 10 is equal to 65% of 2020. 65 by 100 into 2020. 0, 0 cancel. 13, 101. 101 into 13 is 1313. This is 1313 minus 313. That is 1000. So this value is equal to 1000. This 336, if goes to other side, it become minus. Then 664. So 332 x by 10 is equal to 664. 2 times x value 20. 20 is the correct answer. Next, 55 question. 8 cube into 3 power 4. So 8 cube into 3 power 4. 8 cube can be written as 4 power 6. 8 cube can be written as 4 power 6 because 4 square into 3, that is 4 power 6. Or else we can write like this. 8 cube can be written as 4 cube into 2 cube. 8 cube can be written as 4 cube into 2 cube into 3 power 4 by 12 square. 12 square can be written as 4 square into 3 square plus x square. Not plus x square. This is plus x square. Plus x square is equal to 289. Now do this. This is 4 cube 4 square. So here we are left out with 4. This is 3 square 3 power 4. Here we are left out with 3 square. Here we are left out with 8. Now 4 into 8, 32. 32 into 9. 4 into 8, 32. 32 into 9, 288 plus x square is equal to 289. X square 1. X value is also equal to 1. Then 56. 65% of 380. So 65 by 100 into 380. 0, 0. 5 2s, 5 13s, 2 1s, 2 19, 19 3, 247 minus x into 2 by 5 is equal to cube root of 9261, 20. This is 21. 21. 21 plus 80, 101. 101. Now 2x by 5 is equal to 247 minus 101. That is 6, 4, 146. So 146 into 5 by 2. That is 73 into 5, 365. 3 is the correct answer. Next, 7 square means 49. 7 square means 49. Cube root of 17, 28, 12 by 24 plus root x by 12 is equal to 50. This is 49. This value is equal to 0.5. So 49.5. 50 minus 49.5 is half. So half is equal to root x by 12. Therefore root x 6, x value 36. 36 is the correct answer. Next, 15 minus 0.25. This is 0.5 square, 0.25. 12.5 whole square. Now how to do this? See, 125 into 125. How to multiply? 125 is 25 more than 100. This is also 25 more than 100. First you do this one. What is 25 into 25? 625. Write down 25. Write down 6. What is 125 plus 25? 150. 150 plus 6? 156. So that is 156.25 is equal to x square minus 54. Therefore x square is equal to, this is 156.25 minus 0.25, 156. 156 plus 16, 171. 171 plus 54, that is 225. X is equal to root 225. X value is root of 225, that is 15. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. See the next question, 59. 100 by 3 plus 66 2 by 3, that is also 200 by 3. 300 by 3. 300 by 3 is nothing but, see, this is 100 by 3, this is 200 by 3. So that is nothing but 300 by 3, that is 100. 100 plus 900, 1000. 1000 minus 989, that is 11. So 11 is equal to x by 5 whole square. Now 121 is equal to x by 5. X is equal to 605. 605 is the correct answer. Next question. 60th question. 90% of 900. So 90% of 900 is nothing but 90 into 9, 810 plus 196. This one plus 4 square, that is minus 16, is equal to, this is x by 4, this is 3x. 3x minus x by 4. So 196 minus 16, 180. This is 990 is equal to 3x minus x by 4 is 11x by 4. So it is 90. X value 360. What is x value? 360. Next question. See this one. 17 minus 8 minus 9. Minus 8 minus 9 minus 17, 17. So all these three values will get cancelled. Now take only the fraction. That is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. This 2 by 3, if it goes to other side, minus. This minus 1 by 5, it becomes plus. This minus 3 by 5, it becomes plus. Now 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5, 4 by 5. 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is 1. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the correct answer. 2 by 3 is the correct answer. Next question. 62. Cube root of 2197, that is 13 minus 1156 root 34 plus 15. So that is 6 minus 6. 15 plus 13, 28. 28 minus 34 is minus 6. Option 2 is the correct answer. Now 63 question. 25% of 650. 25% of 650 minus 65% of 250. Both are same. So we can take 25% of 650 minus 65% of 250 can be written as 25% of 650. So this is nothing but 0. 0 is equal to x minus 5. X value will be equal to 5. 3 is the correct answer. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. 36% of 3600, that is 1296 plus 144 minus 30. 1296 plus 144, that is 1440 minus 30. 1410. 1410 is the correct answer. Next question. 18 into 12, 18 minus 12 into 16 by 24 plus 5. 12 ones, 12 twos, 8. So 18 minus 8, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. Now we will see the reasoning part. Study the following information carefully, then answer the question. Now first one. If we arrange all the digits in decreasing order within the number, then how many odd numbers are there? So within the number decreasing order, that means 961, 651, 542, then 431 only, then 932. How many odd numbers? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 odd numbers. Next, if we interchange first and third of each number, first and third of each number means this is 691, this is 516, this is 452, this is 134, this is 923. Then find the largest number, 923. Original number 329. Next question. Find the difference between the largest and second smallest number. Largest is 615, second smallest, first smallest 196, second smallest 254. The difference of this 361. So plus 361. It is not there, it is none of these. Next, if we arrange all the digits in the increasing order within the number. So first arrange them in the increasing order within the number. So if you arrange within the number increasing order, we will get 169, 156, 245, 134, 239. Then the numbers thus obtained are arranged in ascending order. Now we have to keep these numbers in ascending order. That means 134, 156, 169, 239, 245. Then which is the second number from right? Second number from right 239. Original number is 329. 329 is the correct answer. Next, what is the difference of third digit of the third number from left? Third number from left 254, in this third digit 4. Then second digit of the second number from right, that is 431, second digit 3. The difference of 4 and 3 is nothing but 1. 2 is the correct answer. A certain number of persons are in a row facing to the north. M is sitting fourth to the right of G. One person is there between D and G. 3 persons are there between M and P. The number of persons between D and M is same as the number of persons to the right of P. Only one person is there between A and G. Then Q is sitting third to the left of T and is to the immediate right of A. 6 persons are there between A and Q. Both T and Q are neighbors. S is sitting third to the left of K. Number of persons sitting to the right of K is same as to the number of persons sitting to the left of D. Now a certain persons are there. We don't know the number of persons. Now what is the first point? Only one person is there between D and G. That is first point. Only one person is there between A and G. That is the second point. Only one person is there between D and G. Now only one person is there between A and G because all are facing north. Then M is sitting fourth to the right of G. G right fourth M. G right fourth is M. 3 persons are there between M and P. There are 3 persons between M and P. We can't take to the right side. We can't take to the left side. We can take only right side. Then see the next one. The number of persons between D and M. Between D and M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. To the right of P also there should be 5 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 persons to the right of P. Then see the next thing. 6 persons are there between A and Q. After A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that you will get Q. So here we will get Q. Then Q is sitting third to the left of K. That means Q right third T. Q right third T. Then both T and K are immediate neighbors. So you take K here. S is sitting third to the left of K. K left third S. K left third S. The number of persons sitting to the right of K. There is no one to the right of K. Is same as number of persons sitting to the left of D. There is no one to the left of D. So this is the correct arrangement. Now based on this, we should answer the questions. See the first question. See, this is the line we got. This is the line we got. So in this we are having D, then G, then gap A, then gap M, then 1, 2, 3 gap, after that P, after that Q, after that S, again one gap, T, T followed by K. Now how many persons are there between Q and K? See, first question, how many persons are there between Q and K? This is Q, this is K, in between 3 persons are there. 3 is the correct answer. 3 is the correct answer. None of these 3. What is the total number of persons sitting in the row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 persons are there. What is the position of D with respect to M? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. 6th to the left. Then next question. If Z is sitting exactly between A and M. So suppose if we take Z here. How many persons are there between Z and Z? There are 2 persons. Then who is sitting fourth to the right of P? That is T. 1 is the correct answer. Next question. 76 to 78. Here these are syllogisms. First one. Only few field is grass. Only few field is grass. Then few grass is tree. Then all tree is green. Some field is not grass. So here it is given only few field is grass, means some field is grass, some field is not grass. So definitely follows. Some field are not green. That one does not follow. So only one follows. Next question. Only fruit is candy. That means all candy is fruit. Then no sweet is fruit. No sweet is fruit. All sweet being candy is a possibility. It does not follow, because the relation between candy and sweet is no. If no is coming, all will not follow. Some fruit can never be sweet. That definitely follows. The relation between fruit and sweet is no. If no is following, some not definitely follows. So 2 definitely follows. Next 78 question. Some red or blue. Some red or blue. Next, no pink is blue. Next, all pink is white. Some red or not pink. Some red or not pink definitely follows. Some blue can be never be white. That one does not follow. There is relation between white and blue, but there is no relation between blue and white. Second one does not follow. Next 79 to 83. See 79 to 83. Study the following information, then answer the question. 8 persons are there in a row facing to the, some are facing north, some are facing south. That is important. H is to the immediate right of A and to the immediate left of F, who faces north. The number of persons sitting to the left of H is 1 less than the number of persons sitting to the right of H. C and E does not sit at extreme end. 2 persons are there between H and G, who is sitting at one extreme end and faces south. A is on the immediate left of D. C and E, they are facing opposite direction to each other. B sits on the immediate right of E, who faces south, and B faces same direction as C. H does not face in the north direction. Now there are 8 persons, so all of you draw 2 lines. We will do in 2 cases. So here 8 parts we have to make into 8 parts. So 4, 8. So here also we have to make into 8 parts. Now from where we should start? See, there are 2 persons between H and G, who is sitting at extreme end. That means G is at one extreme end. We can take G at one extreme end. There are 2 persons between H and G. There are 2 persons between H and G. Then H and G, and G who sits at extreme end and faces south. So G who sits at extreme end and faces south. So G is facing south. G is facing south. Then see the next one. H is on the immediate right of A and immediate left of F, who faces north. So H is on the immediate right of A and immediate left of F, who faces north. Now here same thing, A plus F plus H is on the immediate right of A, H is on the immediate left of F, who faces north. Then the number of persons sitting to the left of H is 1 less than the number of persons sitting to the right of H. See here, H one side 4, other side 3. So 1 less. Here one side 3, other side 4. So 1 less. That is correct only. Then A is on the immediate left of D. That means A is on the immediate right of D. So D is facing south. D is facing south. Then B is on the immediate right of E, who faces south. That means B is on the immediate left of E and E is facing south. Here also B is on the immediate left of E, who faces south. Then we are left out with C. And C and E, they face opposite direction. So here C plus, here also C will be plus, here also C will be plus. B faces the same direction as C. So since C is plus, B is also plus. Here C is plus, also B is plus. H does not face the north direction. So H will face the south direction. Here one is given. What is given? C and E does not sit at extreme end. So here we got C at extreme end. So this one is wrong. This one is correct. Now the second one is wrong. Why? Because C is at extreme end. Now taking this, we should answer the question. See the first one. See the first question. So this is the arrangement we got. So 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The persons B plus E minus D is minus, then A plus, plus means north facing, minus means south facing, that you should remember. C means plus, then G minus. First question, how many persons are south facing? See 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 persons who are south facing, which is true. B is at extreme end, true only. More than 3 persons are there between D and G, that is also true. So both A and B. Who is sitting to the immediate left of the one? Who is on the immediate left of C? Immediate left of C, F. F immediate left, H. So H means immediate right of A. H, that means the person who is on the immediate right of A. 4 is the correct answer. How many persons are there between E and C? Between E and C, 1, 2, 3, 4 persons are there. There are 4 persons. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? See here, E, D, F, C, B. Out of which only B is at extreme end. Only B is in the corner. So B is the odd one out. Next, 84 to 86. This is related to distance come direction. See, point P is 7 meters to the north of R. So point P is 7 meters to the north of R. First write down R. R north 7 meters P. Then R, which is 21 meters east of Q. R is 21 meters to the east of Q. Then see the next one. N is 14 meters to the north of Q. So here we will get N. N is 14 meters to the north of Q. J is 21 meters to the west of N. Here we will get J. J is 21 meters to the west of N. L is 7 meters to the south of J. So here we will get L. L is 7 meters to the south of J. Then M is the midpoint of N and Q. So here we will get M. That means L, M, P. They are in the straight line. That means here this is 7, this is 7. 7 plus 7, 14. S is 28 meters to the east of L. To the east of L, 28 meters. To the east of L, 28 meters. So this is L. To the east of L, 28 meters. Here we will get one point, that is S. So this will be 21. This will be 21. This will be 7. 21 plus 7, 28. So this is the correct arrangement. Now based on this, we should answer the questions. See the first question. See, this is the direction we got. See, J 21 meters, N 7 meters, M, S, this is 7 meters, then Q, this is 7 meters, This is 21 meters R. This is P. This is L. So this is what we got. Now, how far and which direction is S with respect to M? With respect to M, where is S to the east? How many meters? 7. So answer is 7 meters east. 7 meters east. J is in which direction with respect to Q? This is J, this is Q. North, west. North, west. If B is 7 meters to the, south of S. So let us write B 7 meters. That means here we will get B. What is the distance between B and R? The distance between B and R. This is 21 meters. This totally is 21. This will be 7. So 21 minus 7, 14. The distance between B and R is 14 meters. 1 is the correct answer. Next one, 87 to 91. 87 to 91. Study the following information carefully, then answer the question. There are 8 persons sitting in a circle table facing the center. R is sitting second to the left of Q. 2 persons are there between R and W. V is sitting second to the left of W. 1 person is there between W and T. P is sitting third to the right of V. S is not the neighbor of Q. R does not face P. Now all of you draw 2 circles. We will draw 2 circles because we will do this question in 2 possibilities. This is one circle puzzle. Divide into 8 parts. Each circle you divide into 8 parts. If you draw one plus and one into symbol, it will be 8 parts. Now all are facing the center. R is sitting second to the left of Q. This is Q, this is Q, R, R. 2 persons are there between R and W. So left side, right side. There V is sitting second to the left of W. Here V, here we will get V. Then 1 person is there between W and T. Here we will get T, here we will get T. P is sitting third to the right of V. So here we will get P, here we will get P. But R does not face P. So here R is facing P. This one is wrong. See, this one is wrong because R is facing P. Then S is not the neighbor of Q. That means S will come here. Here we will get U. So this is the correct arrangement. Now we will come to the questions. See, this is the circle we got. This is the circle we got. So circle is Q, U, R, T, P, W, S, V. Who is sitting second to the right of V? W. Who is facing R? S. How many persons are there between R and Q when you count to the clockwise direction from R? So clockwise means only 1 person is there. Only 1 person. When you count in clockwise direction from R. So how many persons are there between R and Q? R and Q when you count clockwise direction from R. Clockwise direction from R. So anti-clockwise means right side, clockwise means left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 persons are there. 5. Who is sitting to the immediate right of W? W immediate right is P. So it is not there. None of this. P. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not? So Q opposite P, W opposite U, R opposite S, T opposite V, but TW is the odd one out. Next, in a family of 7 members, there are 2 married couples. F is the mother-in-law of D, B is the father of A is the sister-in-law of E is unmarried, G is the brother of C, who is the daughter of D is a male member. There are only 3 female members in the family. Now, first thing, B is the father of A. This is the first thing. Then A is the sister-in-law of E. That means A will be having one brother or one sister, and that is E. A is the sister-in-law of E. A is the sister-in-law of E. That means A's husband is having one sister, that is E. Then G is the brother of C, who is the daughter of D. D is a male member. So D is a male member. C is the daughter. C is the daughter. G is the brother. G is the brother of C. Then F is the mother-in-law of D. So F is the mother-in-law of D. So this is the total arrangement. This is the total arrangement. A is the sister-in-law of E. There are only 3 female members. 1, 2, 3. So this will be male. This will be male. E will be male. Now this is the blood relation. See here, B and F. B and F, they are having one daughter, that is A. And A is married to D. D's brother is E. A and D, they are having 2 children, G and C. Now come to the questions. Here B is plus, F is minus. A is minus, married to D, that is plus, and E is plus, and G is plus, and C is minus. How is F related to C? Grandmother. Then see the next one. If H is married to E, if H is married to E, how is H related to D? Sister-in-law. Then how is B related to D? B is related to D, father-in-law. B is the father-in-law. 1 is the correct answer. Next, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word autograph? If you see the word autograph, how many such pairs of there? Each of them has as many letters, both forward and backward. So here we are having TU as 1 pair and PQR, PR 1 pair. So TU and PR, only 2 pairs we will get. 3 is the correct answer. Next, study the following information carefully, then answer the question. 8 persons A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S are living in a 4-story building. Ground floor 1, the floor about 2, topmost floor 4. Each of the floor has 2 flats. So there are 2 flats, 4 floors. That means we will get the arrangement like this. So this is how we will write: 4, 3, 2, 1. This is flat 1. This is flat 2. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4th floor, 3rd floor, 2nd, 1st. Here also we will do this in 2 possibilities: 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. Flat 1, flat 2. Now there are 2 floors gap between P and D, but not in the same flat. There is 2 floors gap between P and D, but they are not in the same flat. So we can take like this. Then see the next one. P lives on the even number floor. So P 4th floor, here also P 4th floor, even number. That is correct only. That is correct only. Then only 1 floor gap is there between P and C. Between P and C there is 1 floor gap. Here we will write C. Here also we will write C. Then see the next one. S lives on the odd number floor and to the west of B. So S is on odd number 3rd floor and to the west of B. Here also S 3rd floor and to the west of B. Then A is living above Q in the same flat. In the same flat, A is living above Q. Here A is living above Q in the same flat. Here we will get R. Here we will get R. R is living on even number flat, but here R is living on flat 1, which is odd number. So this one is wrong. This one is correct. Now taking this, we should answer the questions. See here, 4, 3, 2, 1. AP, SB, QC, DR. Who is living on flat 1? This is flat 1. This is flat 2. Who is living on flat 1 of 3rd floor? 3rd floor, flat 1, yes. 3rd floor, flat 1, who is living? Yes. Who among the following is living on the same flat with the C? Same flat with C, who is living? B, C, B, P, R. B, P, R. So both P and B, both are correct. Both A and D. Then which of the following combination is true? A flat 1 correct. S flat floor 3 correct. R flat 2 correct. R floor 1, that is also correct. So all are true. How many floors are there between R and S? Between R and S, how many floors are there? Only 1 floor. The number of floors between S and Q, there is no gap between S and Q. In the similar way, there is no gap between B and C. So 3 is the correct answer. So with this we completed paper number 236. Tomorrow class we will start paper number 237.